I'm tired of this dirty old city. Tired of too much work, never enough pay. And I'm tired of this dirty old sidewalk. Take out, walk off my steady job today. Turn me loose, set me free. Somewhere in the middle of Montana. Give me all I've got coming to me. And keep your time up, your so-called social security. Big city, turn me loose and set me free.
Well, hopefully we'll have more tournaments to come. This is the first tournament we've had here, and hopefully as this place grows, we'll have a Blue Marlin tournament and many more tournaments and make this place bigger and grow.
Had a really good weekend. It was rough. We didn't know if we were going to fish. The weather was up and down the forecast, and it eventually kind of panned out, and we caught these three in back-to-back drifts. And this one went 145. Not quite big enough, but we had a good time.
First one came on, it was kind of back-to-back, and came out with this 143, which is a beautiful fish and fun weekend. So.
Being here in the state of Louisiana, our mate basically made us fish it.
That's what it took. Zach basically said, hey, let's fish this tournament. It's the first one in the hurricane hole, and we'd like to be there for that. And so we took the bait and we said, let's do it. And Zach pulled together a good crew, Colby and Nesto, who just showed up about a few days ago on the Go Deep. Yep. And they worked hard. They chummed, and then we'd go in front of the shrimp boats, we'd come back out, and they kept on. And they did a good job. Shark, bonita. And all of a sudden we had a big bite. And it was amazing.
We were fishing the shrimp boats, I guess 25, 28 miles out. I took a really good nap, and when I woke up from my nap, I came out in the cockpit, and the crew here was chumming very, very intensely, and they put me on a really good fish. And I grabbed a pole, and after 2 hours and 15 minutes, we put him in the box.
Congratulations. Y'all invited me to sit with y'all at the CCA banquet, and that's it. I want y'all to take note. Do you believe I'm a black cloud?
No, sir. Maybe some other people do, but not me.
I tell you what.
It was a lot of fun, yes, sir. Definitely was. And we'll be back next year to defend the title.
The Hurricane Hole, it's a great facility, man. They take good care of us. We'll be here next year. Just excellent place. Can't say enough about it. It's the nicest marina in Grand Isle. Love it over here.
It's a good tournament. It's a great tournament. You know, it's a fun location. It's a beautiful marina. You know, it's a lot of people that it's just a fun environment to be around. So, ready for next year, round 2, going for bigger.
It went pretty well for the weather out there. Some boats came back in late Friday and said they got beat up pretty bad, and it's like, we'll see how it goes Saturday and see if the weather calms down. A lot of them went out about 5 in the morning, a little bit before 5, and they said it was rougher today, but there was some fish out there and they were caught. 171 for the first place, second was 143, and the third was 112, so they were out there, but it was rough and they took a beating.